Hello and welcome to the Energy Masternode Setup tutorial. For this tutorial, we will be using a script created by our Masternode advisor, Mike. This script allows users to set up masternodes in a quick and easy manner. The link to Mike's Masternode guide will be in the description box, along with a link to our Discord channel, which you can feel free to join and ask any questions if you need further assistance. Please note, Energy moderators will never contact or DM you first to offer help, and will never ask for your wallet file, passwords, private keys, or ask you to run dump wallet or dump private key commands. Official Energy team members will have moderator roles, which will show when clicked on. To set up a masternode, you will need the official Energy Core desktop wallet from our website. If you don't yet have the Energy Core wallet, navigate to energy.world, go to Get Energy, and click on Wallets. Once on the Wallets page, go to Downloads and download the Energy Core wallet for whatever operating system you have. A link to this page can be found in the description. So the first thing we need to do is make sure our wallet has all the proper settings enabled. Make sure your wallet is fully synced and then go to Energy, Preferences, and click on the Wallet tab. Make sure Enable Coin Control Features and Show Masternodes tab are both checked and click OK. Please note that you will need 10,000 energy to run an Energy masternode, plus a small amount of energy to cover the network fees. In this tutorial, we will have an extra 1 energy, which is more than enough to cover the fees. Next, if your wallet is encrypted, go to Settings, Unlock Wallet. If you haven't encrypted your wallet, you can skip that step. We will be creating a new address called MN1. Do this by going to File, Receiving Addresses, New, and then type in MN1 and click OK. Next, copy the MN1 address and go to the Send tab. In the Pay To box, paste in the address. MN1 should show up in the label box. Send exactly 10,000 NRG in a single transaction. No more, no less, exactly 10,000. Once the transaction is sent, go to the Transaction tab, right-click on the most recent transaction, and select Copy Transaction ID. Open up a text editor, like Notepad or Word, and paste your transaction ID. You will need this ID later in the tutorial. The next step will be to set up a virtual private server that will host our masternode. Any VPS provider will work. In this example, we will use Vultr. A link to Vultr can be found in the description box. Create an account with Vultr, and once signed up, go to Deploy. Select a location. Select Ubuntu 18.04. Select the $3.50 per month option, and then click Deploy Now. It will take about 2 minutes for the server to be deployed. Once deployed, the status should say Running. Click the Manage button on the right. Under IP address, click the copy icon. Paste this in your text editor, as you will need this later on as well. Okay, so next we will be connecting to the VPS. Since we are using a Mac, we will be following along with the guide using the Mac instructions. If you are using Windows, make sure to follow the instructions for Windows users. For Mac users, open the terminal application, type in SSH space root at. Make sure you have your VPS IP copied. Go to Edit, Paste, and hit Enter. It will say, "Are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes or no?" Type in yes and hit Enter. Now it will ask for your VPS IP password. Go back to the Vultr Manage webpage, and under Password, click the copy icon. Go back to the terminal screen, paste in the password, and press enter. Alright, so now we are connected to the VPS. Next, you will need to copy the following line from Mike's guide. Now go back to the terminal, right-click, paste, and hit enter. You will be prompted to enter in your transaction ID. This is the transaction ID that we previously pasted in our text document. Copy the transaction ID, go back to the terminal, right-click, paste, and hit enter. You will be prompted to use given defaults. Press enter. Now you can simply leave your terminal open and let the script run. If you have the latest version of the Energi Core wallets, the script process should take around 10 minutes. You will know the script is finished running when you see the full string to paste into your masternode configuration file. The script will output the full string to paste into the masternode configuration file. Copy the exact full string and make sure not to copy any extra spaces. Back in the Energi Core wallets, go to Tools, Open Masternode Configuration File. Click Enter to go to a new line and paste in the big string. Save the masternode configuration file, but leave the file open for now in case there is a typo that needs to be fixed. We will be restarting the wallet, and if there is a typo in the masternode configuration file, the wallet will not start up correctly. Alright, next we need to restart the Energi wallet. Close the Energi Core wallets and then restart the application. Allow the wallet to fully synchronize once again. If the wallet restarts with no issues, you can close the masternode configuration file. Once the wallet is fully synced, go to the Masternodes tab. Unlock your wallet if it is locked. You should now see your masternode listed. Select the new masternode and press the Start Alias button, or right-click and press Start Alias. You will be asked if you are sure you want to start the masternode and click Yes. You should get this message, Successfully Started Masternode. After about 15 to 20 minutes, your masternode status should show enabled. You will also be able to find your masternode in the list of all masternodes. If you have made it this far, congratulations, you are good to go. After your masternode becomes enabled, it will take about 15 hours to get your first masternode reward. If you have any further questions or require additional assistance, please join our Discord channel.